You know what's crazy? It's crazy that you can own an apartment building without any of your own money or any experience. Listen, there's 5 things though that you do need if you're going to own an apartment building. Number 1, you need a team of people that can teach you. You need to understand how to do it. It's not a matter that you can't do it, it's a matter of how to do it. So number 1 is you need a team of people that can teach you. Number 2, you need a team of people that you can partner up with. Okay, to be able to qualify for these loans, you need to make sure that you have a team of people that you can partner up with. Number 3, you need a team of people that can invest with you. See, investors, you don't need your own money to invest in these deals, but you do need to be able to source investors for these deals. So number 3 is you need a team of people that can invest with you on these deals. Number 4, you need a team of people that can operate these deals with you. Once again, as you take down these deals, somebody that you can partner up with to carry out the operations of the deal. And number 5, you need a team of people that you can freaking party with. A team of people that you can go on vacation and celebrate with once you close and operate one of these big apartment deals, because the passive income that comes from running an apartment deal, well, listen, man, that deserves to be celebrated. So those are the 5 things you need, and it's crazy that you can own an apartment building with those 5 things. Let's go.